Hello everybody, welcome to my new channel, Precious Rides. I'm going to do a quick walk around of my project I'm working on now. It's a 1992 BMW 735i, the E32 as it's known in BMW code. Bought it non-running, non-driving. I got it running, did the head gasket, and I have a few odds and ends I still have to do. It's in the clip right here. And also has a rust spot down here I'm going to be repairing. Overall in good shape for the year. Good look inside. I personally love these cars because of the engine. It's the M30 6-cylinder. It's pretty much a bulletproof engine. Give it a start. Starts right up now. No smoking. The head gasket was done. And I just need to work on the air conditioning, detailing the interior, do some exterior work. I did some suspension work, and I will be also replacing the tires. Might get new rims for it. Currently has already 220,846 miles, so all in all, high miles, but it's nothing for this engine. It's well taken care of. That's the only upgrade was been the radio. Didn't have a radio when I got it, so I just put this one with Bluetooth. Does need some cleaning. Carpets are dirty, leather is dried up, needs conditioning. But that's what we're here for, to bring it back to life. Let me show you the engine. And there she is. M33.5. I do all the work myself. Just a little background. I've been working on cars for over 25 years. Buy project cars, fix them. Sometimes I sell them, sometimes I keep them. I do buy auction cars as well, fix them, flip them. Just never bothered to make any videos. My wife suggested I put some content out that maybe YouTubers will like it. These tires are bald, as you can see. Has suspension were worn out. I did replace all the suspension pieces. Now I just need to get new tires or rims and tires. Other than that, looks pretty good. And in the future, I have also another project over here. It's a 1982 Pontiac Trans Am I'm going to be working on. This will be later on down the road. I want to do a 350 engine, upgrade it to 700 R4 transmission, maybe put a locker on there. Definitely paint job, but that'll be in the near future. This is what I'm currently working on, and I want to just finish it up, put it on the road full time. Do repairs on it. Make videos of it and put it online. Maybe you guys will like it. Next thing on my list is the air conditioning. I gotta work on that, recharge it. And after the air conditioning, start the... I'm not gonna paint it. I'm gonna do some repairs on the rust, do some paint correction, and just buff it out. So this is just my first video. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.